In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag a company on a LinkedIn post, a handy skill that can help you improve your networking opportunities and increase the visibility of your posts. Whether you're sharing industry news, highlighting achievements, or simply wanting to acknowledge a company, tagging them ensures they get notified about your post, potentially opening doors to new connections and collaborations. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your LinkedIn account. If you aren't already on the LinkedIn homepage, go ahead and navigate there by entering linkedin.com in your browser. Once you're logged in, you're ready to create a post. Look for the option that says, Start a Post. It's usually located at the top of your LinkedIn feed. Click on this button to open a new content box where you can compose your message. Now, to tag a company in your LinkedIn post, start by typing the @ symbol directly into the text box. It's important to type this symbol without adding any spaces before it. After the @ immediately begin typing the name of the company you wish to tag. As you type, LinkedIn will provide you with a drop-down list of potential matches based on what you've entered. This is incredibly useful as it helps to ensure you're tagging the correct entity, especially if there are companies with similar names. When you see the company you're looking for in the drop-down list, click on it. This action will automatically transform the company's name into a clickable tag within your post. The tag will be visible in your post as a highlighted link, which means anyone who interacts with your post can click on the tag to visit that company's LinkedIn page. If you want to tag a company in a comment instead of a post, the process is much the same. Find the post where you'd like to comment and click on the comment field. Again, type the @ symbol followed by the company's name. As before, select the appropriate match from the drop-down list, and once clicked, the tag will be added to your comment. Utilizing this simple feature can greatly increase the engagement on your posts and comments. It makes your content interactive and connects it directly to the companies you're discussing. Whether you're acknowledging contributions, starting a conversation, or sharing relevant information, tags make your communication more personal and engaging. Remember to always double-check that you've selected the correct company before posting, to ensure your message reaches the intended audience. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to tag companies on LinkedIn, augmenting your professional presence. Happy networking!